Hey there, Amanda here with Clive Coffee. Today we'll be setting up your new Bezzera Duo MN dual boiler espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the box and machine for damage. Remove the machine from the box and the packaging. We recommend saving all the internal packing materials if you ever need to ship the machine in the future. Set the machine on a stable and level surface and inspect it for damage. If you find any damage, please contact us right away. Step 2. Water quality and choosing your water source. Before we introduce any water to the machine, it's essential to test it to make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a softness near 50 parts per million. The Duo can use either the built-in reservoir or a plumbed-in water line. If you plan to use the reservoir, make sure to turn the water source to tank mode in the options menu. For reservoir use, fill the reservoir with filtered and adequately soft water. If you wish to plumb in your machine, switch the water source to plumbed in on the control panel. Attach the included braided line to the direct water inlet on the bottom of the machine. To attach, simply screw on the line until hand tight and then use an adjustable wrench to tighten an additional quarter turn. Attach the other end of the braided line to a cold water source. Then open up your water line and check for leaks. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water or click the link in the description of this video. Step 3. Turning on your machine and filling your boilers. Lift the brew lever and turn the machine on. With the brew lever activated, the pump will turn on and water will fill the steam and brew boilers. After a short period, you will see water coming through the group head. Lower the brew lever once at least 4 ounces of water has run through the group head to turn off the pump. At this point, the machine is ready to pull shots. Simply wait for the machine to warm up, and with coffee in your portafilter, lift the brew lever and start the pump to begin your shot. To stop your shot, fully push the brew lever back to its original off position. A few tips before we go. The Bezzera Duo features a touchscreen control panel on the machine's face to edit and modify a variety of settings. On the home screen, you'll find the readout for both your steam and brew boiler. If you tap on the brew temperature, this will bring you to the temperature settings. Press the plus or minus button to change the boiler temperature. From this screen, you can also edit the pre-infusion settings, turn on and off the shot timer, and indicate which boiler takes priority during the machine's initial warm-up. There's a wide array of options within the settings menu too. You can program an automatic on and off schedule from the settings menu, calibrate the water level indicator, and set up reminders to keep up to date with routine maintenance with water filters and maintenance. From here, we invite you to experiment and enjoy your new Bezzera Duo MN. If you have any thoughts or questions as you set up your machine, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.